To do a long section along a line, we use the option Model, Long Sections. Now I'm going to use a line, and I choose the line by clicking on it, and that's chosen my 300 diameter pipe. The start chainage of 0, that'll begin at the beginning of the line at a chainage of 0, and we've got an option to add additional points along the line at an interval. Now I could select other lines to appear in this long section, but I won't. And now it's letting me choose the background models that I can also show in the long section. Now that's a preview, and if I want to print, it goes to our long section printer. So the format of the print is already set up. We've got settings for putting headers in and footers, and I can define the plot space and type in a scale, and we can see the print preview at the bottom here. I can add things like drop lines, and we can change paper size, etc. I can also choose a double plot window so that it'll do 2 long sections on one page, or as many as you want. And then when I'm ready to print, I've got a choice to print this current page, or I can just print from here to the end in a succession of prints, or I can print the full series from the beginning to the end. So let's do that. And here it's asking me for the plot titles, etc., and we can put a logo or a bitmap in the footer, and there it is, printed with the lines and the different plot windows in it.